Hello, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to this demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder made by Dienes or PeDe in the 1930s. The special thing about this one is that the case is veneered in a birdseye maple. Very unusual to see a coffee grinder in that wood. Test is as it always is. We're going to take 7 grams of beans. We're going to set the grinder to its finest setting with the burrs just touching, and we're going to see how the grinder does both for speed and fineness of grind. Here we go. So a fast grinder there, 17 or 18 turns of the handle. Let's have a look at the grind, and I would say that's a good fine to powdery grind. Slightly powdery, compacts a little bit, should be good for anything up to and including espresso. Of course, if you want a coarser grind, so you slacken the adjuster and dial it into your requirements. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video or in the description, and happy grinding.